Just enjoyed the community of it, where we're meeting every Sunday and showing our work so far, and you build off of other people's ideas and you see like how they took the lesson to a next level, and that was really invigorating, is talking the same language with other people, other modelers, and you know, just I don't know, it was fun.
So I took your course, and it just like, one, I think that coupled with the new Blender update just made it all click. I mean, there was like some 3-minute videos, there's some like 15-ish minute videos, but they're all broken up into pretty short videos that are very to the point. And so you feel like you're progressing pretty quickly because it's just going video after video. It's just like, Blender's like my favorite thing right now because it's.
So I'll just say, J-Wall, I've always appreciated your stuff. Like, you've made 3D printing super exciting, and you're always enthusiastic and optimistic, and I love that. I think in 9th grade, that's when I found out that product design was even a thing. I didn't even consider the fact that every object in the world has to be designed by someone. That plus 3D printing, then you can literally make just about anything. I mean, you said it yourself, you can be anything. We're creating the jobs of the future. Blender's so fun. So thank you so much for finally letting me get into it. It was one of my New Year's resolutions.